Global Test Market Review, Earn Money Online Fast. In this video review, I am going to show you if Global Test Market leisure service site and worth joining and earn money with or not, and that's what you'll find out. I have tested Global Test Market myself, and there is actually not a lot to show you about Global Test Market, but what you'll find out in this video if it will be worth your time or not. I will give you a tutorial about how to use it, very simple and very easy to use. Let me review right away that you just go through the sign up page. Here you get to just fill out your email address and your name, and then you will start receiving emails with server invitations. After confirm your email address, so it's very easy to use. It's definitely legit. I have been paid by it several times myself, and it's not the service site that has daily opportunities. It has a decent amount of survey, and depending on the country you live in, you will get an email a few times per week. So definitely easy to sign up, and then you can right away see the topic and see what the reward will be of the survey and decide if you want to take it or not. And in my opinion, it shouldn't be the only service site you sign up for. It shouldn't be the only service site you sign up for. And in addition to this, you can also find an app exactly they used, but now they have instead like a Facebook app. You can install an app and take the service through your Facebook. It's definitely one of the sites worth joining, and that's another way to get easy access. So if you are on Facebook a lot, that can be a lot easier. And Test Market is available in 49 countries, so it is a service site that's definitely worth considering, and it actually also has good rewards. You can get paid depending on the country you live in through Amazon or PayPal and different gift cards. It's a service site that's definitely worth joining, and also consider joining other sites to get more opportunities. The payout for it's around $10. It's not too high, so it's definitely one of the leisure sites, and it shouldn't take too long to read. It's very easy to use and simple. And as you can see, Global Test Market is a survey ID. It won't be the survey site with the most amount of surveys, but it's still worse. You just wait for the email invitations and take surveys, or you can use it through the Facebook app. I would suggest to signing up for, so definitely still worth considering. And other survey sites that gives more opportunities, so you can do them in combination and they get more earning chances. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.